Hello and welcome. Let's break down Gold Corp's 2012 cost to produce. Gold Corp obtains over 99% of its revenues from 5 products: gold, silver, copper, zinc, and lead. Let's look at the cost to produce each. In 2012, Gold Corp's revenue was $5.435 billion, with $3.908 billion coming from gold, or 71.9%, $815 million coming from silver, or 15%, $366 million coming from copper, or 6.73%, $234 million coming from zinc, or 4.31%, $97 million coming from lead, or 1.78%, and about $15 million, or 0.28%, coming from other sources. To calculate out the cost per ounce and pound, I used the co-product method, which attaches costs to the revenue they produce. I took the consolidated income statement from the 2012 annual report and broke down each cost as follows. 71.9% of revenue comes from gold, so 71.9% of each cost is applied to gold. 15% of revenue comes from silver, so 15% of each cost is applied to silver. 6.73% of revenue comes from copper, so 6.73% of each cost is applied to copper. 4.31% of revenue comes from zinc, so 4.31% of each cost is applied to zinc. And 1.78% of revenue comes from lead, so 1.78% of each cost is applied to lead. I then divided each cost by the number of ounces or pounds produced to get a cost per ounce or pound breakdown. In 2012, Gold Corp had production costs of $2.337 billion, which calculates out to $717.89 per ounce for gold, $11.50 per ounce for silver, $1.40 per pound for copper, 31 cents per pound for zinc, and 27 cents per pound for lead. There were depreciation costs of $675 million, which calculates out to $207.35 per ounce for gold, $3.32 per ounce for silver, 40 cents per pound for copper, 9 cents per pound for zinc, and 8 cents per pound for lead. Total production and depreciation costs: $925.24 per ounce for gold, $14.83 per ounce for silver, $1.81 per pound for copper, 40 cents per pound for zinc, and 35 cents per pound for lead. There were exploration costs, a credit from investments in other producers, and administration costs. This brings costs to $1,002.96 per ounce for gold, $16.07 per ounce for silver, $1.96 per pound for copper, 43 cents per pound for zinc, and 38 cents per pound for lead. There was a gain on disposal from the sale of interest on Osisko Mining. There was an impairment charge. This was a write-down of value on available for sale securities. There was a gain on derivative hedges, which more than offset all costs in this section. There was a gain on dispositions. There were finance costs. There was other miscellaneous income. This brings pre-tax complete cost to $977.77 per ounce for gold, $15.67 per ounce for silver, $1.91 per pound for copper, 42 cents per pound for zinc, 37 cents per pound for lead. There were taxes. This brings complete costs for each metal in 2002 to $1,132.29 per ounce for gold, $18.15 per ounce for silver, $2.21 per pound for copper, 49 cents per pound for zinc, and 43 cents per pound for lead. In 2012, Gold Corp's net profit was about 32%, and current metal prices are still above Gold Corp's 2012 complete cost to produce, suggesting that Gold Corp's current production is probably still profitable at this time. Thanks for watching.